About 10 to 8 Monday morning. Just want to do a bit of a walkthrough of the shop. We've just got the bikes out at the front, just showing the showroom here and what stock we keep. Across to the counter, desk there, just around some other stock here, pan from this side of the counter back to the tyres and outside. There's a little walkway straight through behind the stock, the workshop area. Just panning through here. I'll just pan back this way. Battery charging station. Gibbo's Auto Parts just across from the car park there. Andrew's just working on a quad bike. See greaser bar, kitchen area.